intricate story of diplomacy. You see, there were differences between India and Bangladesh on the sharing of Ganges water and Teesta water, these two rivers. So Mrs. Gandhi had cut off all the negotiations because she was very upset with some things that happened with Bangladesh. But when Rajiv Gandhi took over, Rajiv Gandhi and Ershad met in New York in the UNGA. And I don't know how it was drafted, but some statement was drafted signed by the two, which says that the two sides agreed to negotiate the sharing of common river waters. The common river was added instead of Ganges and Teesta. And now Bangladesh gave a list of 104 common rivers, so-called nalas and nadis and everything. Now it became a huge problem for us, how to bring it back to those two rivers. So this is one example I can give you. A small little mistake you do and then you suffer a lot. So it was a big effort to undo that mistake. And then finally, the negotiations were concentrated more on Ganges water and Teesta water.